we've already seen questions that are very similar to this one. Or again, we can look at these choices, we can predict the question very easily. This is about pronouns, right? We keep seeing choices that look like this. So this is just goes to show you that memorizing grammar rules, they can guarantee you points because they ask about the same rules again and again. Yes, sometimes one test will ask it and the next test will as well, and so yeah, that's 10 points on each test, but other times it's within one test. They reiterate the same rules, and so it's multiple points on one test. As with any pronoun question, we're thinking about singular versus plural, right? Pronouns refer to something. They can refer to one thing or they can refer to multiple things, and we need to figure that out. That's usually what we have to focus on. In this case, we also have some more common errors with the way we type or spell. We have things like it is, right? So that's wrong because it's just the wrong it's. And also there, THERE is like something's over there, right? So it's the wrong version of the word. Those things, hopefully, you're not messing up at this stage of your life, but, you know, it's part of the question. The more important piece is now between singular and plural. It's without an apostrophe is singular. Their, THEIR, is plural. And we need to make sure we're referring to something that matches with that. So let's read the sentence. To take a wet plate photograph, photographers usually first arrange or pose the photographer's subjects before mixing collodion. Okay, they're talking about the photographers. Photographers is plural. Therefore, we need the plural there. And the best thing about pronoun questions is if you know what you're doing, you can pretty much always replace the pronoun with the thing you think it replaces and actually see if it makes sense, right? It's clearly the photographer is setting up their subjects. The photographers have subjects. It's not like the wet plate has a subject. That's the film. So that can help you understand, because there's almost always going to be multiple things in a sentence that it could be. Your job is to find the thing that makes sense. That's what the pronoun is actually replacing. So following the rule here can guarantee you 10 points. And as we've seen, there have been other pronoun questions. It's not just 10 points if they repeat the same rule again and again on a test. This would have been like 30 or so. So memorize the rules. They're important.